Introducing the 2024 Seat Tarraco 2.0 TDI with 150 horsepower, a sleek black exterior, and luxurious interior features. This vehicle not only exudes style, but also offers top-notch comfort and safety amenities. From the convenient Bluetooth phone connectivity to the advanced safety features like collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. And with added bonuses like a towbar preparation and privacy glass, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Interested in experiencing the luxury and performance of the 2024 Seat Tarraco for yourself? Contact us today at spiritmotorgroup.e for more information. Discover the perfect blend of style, comfort, and safety with this stunning vehicle.